This is the video for class 8 science chapter 5 conservation of plants and animals. So इसमें key learning points देख लीजिए आप. Biodiversity around us, flora and fauna, recycle of paper as a step to reduce deforestation, wildlife conservation, migration, conservation of forest and threats to biodiversity. So let's start. Biodiversity is the variety of life on Earth. It includes the variability of species in different habitats. The diversity of microorganisms, plants and animals, it is an essential component of nature and it assures the survival of human species by providing food, fuel, shelter, medicine and other resources. Biodiversity is not distributed uniformly over the earth. Some areas are particular along the tropics are rich in biodiversity. This depends on the climatic condition and area of the region. Biological diversity is the greatest near the equator, declines towards the higher altitude. Tropical rainforests are especially known for their exceptional diversity. Some locations known as hotspots harbor an unusual rich biodiversity. Most experts estimate the world's species diversity to 10 to 30 million, but that is very approximate. All species of plants taken together are known as flora. About 70,000 species of the plants are known till date. Similarly, all species of animals taken together are called fauna. The fauna of our ecosystem includes birds, mammals, fishes, reptiles, insects, crustaceans, molluscs, other, and 85% of the known fauna are insect. Biodiversity in India. India has a rich, varied biodiversity because of variety of habitats such as desert, grassland, tropical and temperate forests, coastal wetlands, and alpine vegetation. More than 50% of total species of plants and animals found on the earth are present in India. Therefore, India is one of the mega biodiversity nations. It has just 2.54% of world's large land area but contributes over 8% to the global biodiversity. Western Ghats and Eastern Himalayas have been designated as two of the world's 25 hotspots of global diversity. Threats to biodiversity. The various factors leading to extinction of wild species and depletion of biodiversity are as given ahead. Habitat loss due to increase in human population. Great increase in human population in the last 70 years is responsible for the rapid decline of biodiversity because more and more the land is needed for agriculture, housing, for making roads, and for constructing dams, bridges, powerhouses, and industries. Deforestation and overgrazing. Indiscriminate cutting of the trees by man causes deforestation. Similarly, overgrazing by increased population of cattle and sheep, shrinkage of grasslands, and loss of habitat in wild animals. Pollution. Air and water get polluted with insecticide used in agriculture, toxic elements released from industries and petroleum products. Weak and susceptible species are unable to tolerate the pollutant and are eliminated. Introduction of exotic species. The species introduced into a new locality from some other area is called an exotic species. It competes with the species already existing in that area and may cause extinction of some native species. Human activities are causing changes in the temperature and rainfall pattern These are responsible for the global warming and melting of glaciers. Such changes have adverse effect on biodiversity. जब ग्लेशियर्स होते हैं बड़े बड़े हिमालय के, जो वो पिघल जाते हैं तो पानी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है और पानी की कमी भी हो जाती है बहुत बार। क्यों होती है कमी? क्योंकि वो ऊपर से पिघल गए हैं, जब वो वहीं से ख़त्म हो रहे हैं तो पानी आएगा कहाँ से? International trade in wildlife and wildlife products have threatened the existence of tigers, bears, fox, elephants, crocodiles. ह्यूमन ग्रेड मतलब एनिमल्स को मार के उनका सामान लेना, लाइक स्किन से अब स्किन हो गया, टीथ्स हो गए, बहुत कुछ। कंजर्वेशन